Let's understand photogeology. Did you know that with just a photo from the sky, geologists can map hidden faults, ancient rock layers, and mineral treasures across vast landscapes, unlocking Earth's secrets without ever touching the ground? That's the power of photogeology. Photogeology is the study and interpretation of photographs, normally aerial, for obtaining geologic information. It also includes presenting that information on mosaics, aerial geologic maps, or geologic cross-sections. This branch of geology focuses on identifying and studying geological features using aerial or satellite photographs. It allows scientists to interpret the structure, composition, and arrangement of rocks and landforms by analyzing images captured from above. The foundation lies in aerial photography and remote sensing. Aerial photography involves images taken from aircraft or drones with cameras directed toward the ground, recording topography, vegetation, soil, and rock distribution. Satellite imaging, such as from Landsat satellites, expands this to large and remote regions, collecting detailed images across multiple spectral bands. The basic principle is that different materials reflect sunlight differently. Rocks, soil, vegetation, and water absorb and reflect electromagnetic radiation variably, creating differences in brightness, color, texture, and pattern. Key elements for interpretation include tone or color, the brightness or darkness, like dark water bodies versus light dry sand. Texture describes visual smoothness or roughness, with smooth indicating flat plains and rough showing rugged terrain. Pattern refers to spatial arrangements, such as river networks reflecting underlying rock structure. Shape helps recognize features. Circular shapes may indicate volcanic craters. Linear features represent faults or boundaries. Shadow reveals elevation changes, identifying hills, ridges, cliffs, and valleys. Using these, photogeologists identify faults, fractures with movement, appearing as straight lines or displaced channels. Folds are bent rock layers from compression, seen as curved or repeated bands. Drainage patterns describe river arrangements, revealing rock type, slope, and structure. Photogeology is crucial for geological mapping, allowing quick observation of large areas to identify structures before fieldwork, reducing time and cost. Applications include mineral exploration, where structures indicate or deposits, oil and gas exploration, spotting formations like anticlines that trap petroleum. It supports engineering for infrastructure like dams, highways, tunnels, environmental studies for land use change, erosion, deforestation. In natural hazard assessment, it reveals past landslides, unstable slopes, and earthquake risks. Limitations. Dense vegetation hides formations, requires training and knowledge. It's combined with field verification. Modern advancements integrate remote sensing, geographic information systems, and digital image processing for higher accuracy and monitoring changes over time. In essence, photogeology combines geology, photography, and remote sensing to reveal Earth's hidden structures, helping scientists map landscapes, discover natural resources, and understand geological processes on a global scale.